Hello, quiz lovers, welcome back to Quiz Quest Difference Vision. Kiss the voice! Moana edition. If you're new here, subscribe to our channel for more games. Let's play the game! Nalo. Tue. Tala. Kakamora. Matangi. Maui. Moana. Simia. Sina. Tefiti. Whose voice is this? Frog monster. Can you identify the character from this voice? Kakamora. Would you rather be friends with Tefiti or be friends with Maui?
Irrigation, plant propagation. Take even my best apprentice, you'd starve.
Who is the character behind this iconic voice? Kaylee.
You need irrigation, plant propagation. Take even my best apprentice, you'd starve.
Find the odd one. Right here. Which character speaks with this voice? La Salo.
Double hull design. My best canoe yet. Sweet! Top of the line upgrades for the crew.
Who does this voice belong to? Loto.
Double hull design. My best canoe yet. Sweet! Top of the line upgrades for the crew.
Is your future if you cannot find others. In isolation,
Whose voice is this? Matai Veza.
is your future if you cannot find others. In isolation,
Guess the character. sloth monster?
Slice of paradise. You live here?
Can you name the character from this voice? Matangi.
Slice of paradise. You live here?
Spot 3 differences.
Super chiseled demigod passing through. Now open the portal to the island.
Identify the character from this voice. Maui.
Super chiseled demigod passing through. Now open the portal to the island.
Who is cuter? Moana or Simea?
Oh, Bonnie!
It's both of us, actually. Maui and me.
Which character's voice is this? Moni.
Oh, Bonnie!
It's both of us, actually. Maui and me.
Been able to reach Motufetu or break my curse.
Wow.
Can you guess the character by this voice? Nalo.
Been able to reach Motufetu or break my curse.
Wow.
Find the odd one. You got it! Spot 3 differences.
You were gone forever.
It was 3 days, but I missed.
Who's the character behind this voice? Simea.
You were gone forever.
It was 3 days, but I missed. If you let them. Last time the chicken made it.
Which animated character has this voice? Cena.
If you let them. Last time the chicken made it.
Who is this? Tay Fitty.
Not to understand when you could lose or learn. Here we are.
Whose voice is this? Tala.
enough to understand all you could lose or learn. And here we are.
Shiny. Wait a minute. Oh, it's a human.
Can you identify the character from this voice? Tamatoa.
Shiny. Wait a minute. Oh, it's a human.
Spot 3 differences. Find the odd one.
Chicken eating the rock. He seems to lack the basic intelligence required for pretty much.
Which character speaks like this? Vela.
Chicken eating the rock. He seems to lack the basic intelligence required for pretty much.
We should clear the diseased trees, and we will start a new grove.
Can you guess this character by their voice? Moana.
We should clear the diseased trees, and we will start a new grove.
Guess the character. Eight-eyed bats. Would you rather own a private island or to be the leader of a tribe? Thank you for participating in today's quiz game. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe. See you again in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.